Have you ever wondered how your favorite foods compare against each other in terms of nutrition? If yes, let's compare the nutritional contents of potato starch versus sweet potatoes, 100 grams each. Calories and carbs. Calories. Sweet potato has 74% less calories than potato starch. Per 100 grams, sweet potato has 86 calories but potato starch has 333 calories. Carbohydrates. Sweet potato has 76% less carbohydrates than potato starch. Per 100 grams sweet potato has 20.1 grams of total carbs, starch has 83.3 grams of carbohydrates. Dietary fiber. Sweet potato has more dietary fiber than potato starch. Per 100 grams, sweet potato has 3 grams of dietary fiber, but potato starch doesn't have any significant amounts. Sugar. Potato starch has less sugar than sweet potato. Per 100 grams, sweet potato has 4.2 grams of sugar but potato starch does not have any significant amounts. Protein. Sweet potato has more protein than potato starch. Per 100 grams, sweet potato has 1.6 grams of protein but potato starch does not have any significant amounts. Fat. Saturated fat. Both sweet potatoes and potato starch are low in saturated fat. Per 100 grams, sweet potato has 0.02 grams of saturated fat and potato starch does not have any significant amounts. Vitamins. Vitamin C. Sweet potato has more vitamin C than potato starch. Per 100 grams, sweet potato has 2.4 milligrams of vitamin C but potato starch does not have significant amounts. Vitamin A. Sweet potato is an excellent source of vitamin A and it has more vitamin A than potato starch. Per 100 grams, sweet potato has 709 micrograms of vitamin A but potato starch does not have any significant amounts. Vitamin E. Both sweet potatoes and potato starch have similar amounts of vitamin E. Per 100 grams, sweet potato contains 0.26 milligrams of vitamin E and potato starch doesn't have any significant amounts. Vitamin K. Both sweet potatoes and potato starch have similar amounts of vitamin K. Per 100 grams, sweet potato has 1.8 micrograms of vitamin K but potato starch doesn't have significant amounts. The B vitamins. Sweet potato has more thiamin, riboflavin, niacin, pantothenic acid, vitamin B6 and folate. Minerals. Calcium. Sweet potato is rich in calcium more than potato starch. Per 100 grams, sweet potato has 30 milligrams of calcium, but potato starch doesn't have significant amounts. Iron. Sweet potato has more iron than potato starch. Per 100 grams, sweet potato has 0.61 milligrams of iron but potato starch doesn't have any significant amounts. Potassium. Sweet potato is an excellent source of potassium, and it has more potassium than potato starch. Per 100 grams, sweet potato has 337 milligrams of potassium, but potato starch doesn't have any significant amounts. Thank you for watching. If you find this video informative, like it and subscribe to this channel.